Buying the wrong chainsaw isn't just a waste of money, it's a safety hazard. A tool this powerful demands respect and the right choice. We put the top brands through hell, felling trees, bucking logs, and testing battery life to the absolute limit. What we found will save you from buyer's remorse and potentially a dangerous situation. In this video, we're revealing the 5 chainsaws for 2025 that deliver raw power, reliability, and value. Our number 1 pick, a hybrid model, is quietly dominating the market for a reason you'd never expect. Starting at number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 CMCCS 620M1 Chainsaw. Best chainsaw with 12 guide bar. A superb red outlook chainsaw machine that becomes a great assisting tool for your woodcutting needs. It is a cordless machine and moderately lightweight, so you don't have any problems carrying around. The 20V battery once charged delivers super easy 60 cuts. 4 batteries are provided along in the kit, so you can have a really nice time out there being a craftsman. It comes with a 12-inch chain bar and performs really well in small spaces too. The chain tension adjustments require no tools, so you can adjust quickly according to the requirements. Continuous lubrication of the chainsaw parts is ensured by the auto-oiling system. For the purpose of straight horizontal cuts, a bubble level is also provided. This Craftsman machine allows you to handle thick wood up to 10 inches without causing any problems or stress at all. Number 2. Husqvarna 24-inch 460 Rancher. Runner-up option for commercial jobs. A robust machine made available by Husqvarna that allows you to handle ultimate thick wood materials without raising your eyebrows. Rancher gas chainsaw provides extreme power to the chain bar that cuts through in quick time with complete ease. Whether you need to deal with thick trees or get some firewood, this best chainsaw machine wouldn't disappoint you. A 24-inch chain bar allows you to get through the cutting jobs in one go most of the time. The engine is activated with a chain brake so that it is safe to operate for gardeners and woodcutters. A decent amount of fuel capacity is also provided, so you don't have to deal with maintenance issues for a considerable period of time. You have got the chain adjustment system on the side of the machine that doesn't require any tools to operate. You can get things quickly adjusted in no time while doing the hard part outdoors. It also comes with an air filter so that it remains an environment-friendly machine for the users. Number 3. WORX WG322 PowerShare Chainsaw. Best battery chainsaw for the money. Nope, don't expect the WORX WG322 to cut large trees for you, because it isn't designed for this purpose. What it's designed for is to prune trees, maintain a backyard, or maybe cut small branches or trim hedges. The WG322 is a mini power tool that I adore a lot for its robust design. Moreover, it's just so easy to operate. All you gotta do is tuck in the battery, turn on the chainsaw, and cut whatever you want with it. Checking out some of its technical specs. The bar length is only 10 inch, and that means you cannot go deeper than an 8 thickwood log. If you are still adamant about cutting a medium-sized log, better try cutting half of it from above and half of it from the bottom with the WG322. Fast and powerful, the 20V small chainsaw offers a 3.1 HP power that ensures clean cuts without any stoppage issues. What's even better is that the chainsaw could also be used for carving wood into different shapes, including bears, roosters, hawks, etc. Worried about the chain tensioning every time you want to do some maintenance job on your lawn? The WORX battery chainsaw takes care of that with its automatic chain tensioning system. The black knob available on the tool can be used for adjusting the tension as per your will and wish. An automatic oiler is also included, which I think can keep the users away from worrying about chain and bar lubrication again and again. Even with such a small design, WORX has added all safety features into its WG322, including the safety brake as well as an easy-to-handle grip. Cut the long story short, I've used the WG322 many times, and although it cannot match the power of gas tools that I tested, it's still better than many other cordless saws available on the market. Number 4. Oregon CS 1500 Corded Electric Chainsaw. Best electric chainsaw machine in 2025. Out of so many reasons to love and adore Oregon CS 1500, the one I like the most is its self-sharpening technology. You heard that right. Oregon is, in fact, the first brand to integrate the PowerShare technology that can sharpen the chain of its machines in no time. Besides, with a powerful motor, the CS 1500 can cut and penetrate thick wood logs without any hassle. Discussing some of its major features. Oregon CS 1500 comes with a 15-amp motor, and that means you can turn it on in no time. Just plug it in, press the ignition button, and you are good to go. Already discussed above, using the self-sharpening technology, the electric corded saw can sharpen itself within 3 to 5 seconds to help you cut medium and thick logs without facing any problems. A bit bulky though, the CS1500 weighs about 12.6 pounds, which is 2x more than the WG322 I compared above. Even with this bulkiness, I like cutting trees with it due to its long 18-inch bar and pointy chain teeth. One of the reasons why you should trust the CS1500 is that it's UL certified. The certification is awarded due to the presence of multiple safety features as well as a robust cutting performance. One shortcoming that I would want to address is that the tool requires a nearby power source. If you do not have it, you cannot start it, and that could get problematic if you own a large area. I'd recommend getting a power extension in that case though. Number 5. Makita XCU03PT1 battery-powered chainsaw. Best Makita chainsaw. When the situation demands the best preparedness, then worthy investments are surely required in the best chainsaw, and this Makita model seems to be a perfect choice. A robust electric engine provides remarkable power input for the machine to operate. The best thing about this chainsaw is that you can have variable speeds that allow you to synchronize your cutting performance. This also comes with a toolless chain tension adjustment system, so the users don't feel any difficulties at all while doing some intense work out there in the middle. A built-in lock-off lever exists so that safety precautionary measures are in place to prevent any damage caused by mechanical failure. You can conveniently check oil levels through a check bar oil level, and a really large-sized oil filling port is provided. The battery life is extended as the machine automatically turns itself off when there is no work done for a specific time. And that's how you cut through the noise and find a tool you can trust for years to come. Remember, safety first, always wear your gear. If this in-depth testing helped you make a confident decision, do me a solid, hit that like button, share this with anyone who needs a new saw, and subscribe for more no-nonsense tool reviews. Next week, we're testing a new wood splitter that's either genius or garbage. All the links to check prices and specs for these 5 powerhouse chainsaws are in the description below. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.